Today we are playing avani. I just found I was playing a game from developer, and then I thought all of his games are free, so I decided to look at them, and I found this game at the top of the page. So I think it's gonna be cool. Okay, so WFD to move. Okay, so this is cool. I don't know what to do, but space, press up. Okay, so do we have to like sword? I walk around sword. Fuck. Okay, so I guess we have to go back for the sword. Sword. Okay, so we got sword. Pull sword. Okay, so is that Paul got? Okay, so why did you destroy that one but not the other one? What did the third one go to? This game's confusing. Part of my brain. I should make a game like this. Yeah. Okay, so cool. Basic sword attack. Doors can be opened by hitting bell. Bomb. What did I do? I just right clicks. Okay. I don't know what that is, but okay. You can consume potions to heal. Okay. What the? Okay, I'll use this attack. Ugh. That did nothing. Okay. Can't form. Okay. Pew. It's a gun! It's a gun. Okay, right. Okay, so we have to hit the bell. Oh, there's the bell. Bonk. Okay, this game's actually kind of good graphics. Wait, where am I? I don't know, but so I have to walk down here. Get back. Wait, was that just an extra? Okay, I don't care. Care what, like I was saying, if you wanted to get this game, I'll put it in the description. This is part 1 because I'm expecting this to be a long game. Okay, special attack. Oh, right click. Oh yeah, we already learned that. Glitchy. Oh, what? I hit it. Now run for the exit. Close the door. This game has bugs. No wonder. graphics. Still hit all though. Kind of feel really. Target. Die. Who? I'm free now. I could have just done that. I could have just. Oh wait, I couldn't. Wait, why didn't I walk through the? Why did I? I'm out. Really? Shoot. I feel like this game was made in scratch. This is a game on Steam. It feels like it was made in scratch. It would be an impressive game if it was made in scratch. What does that even do? That just causes me more trouble. I didn't have to do it. Wait. Oh, what's this? What's this? They follow me. I'll leave my soda behind. I don't really need it. Fire. Okay. My game is breaking. Okay, I'm not reading that because I don't care. I didn't read. What is? Oh. Ah. Okay. I think I'm gonna just leave. Not one of these things again. Okay, I'm gonna go back and read it. I'm gonna go back and read it. Okay. Which is only affected by your range attack. Whoa! I was doing that. I shouldn't. No. I hate this. This game's cool. I did it. What's that guy doing? Okay. Oh no, what do I do? You can activate or by interacting with it. Activated, I think. I forgot my sword right up here. Okay. It's fun. Yeah, it's actually fun. Wait, I saw a name tag earlier. He ate my sword. Wait, if I leave it here, it go over here. How do I get rid of this sword? I don't want it. Cause so much trouble. How do I get rid of it? I don't want it. Another one. They're running out of idea. They're running out of ideas to place these. Wait, I need this. Wait. Oh. Oh. I don't want. Stop killing me. I didn't know what to say, so I just didn't say it. It's like, wait. Wait. Why does this game have to be like this? Forgot I had to go in positions. Okay, so it's bridge. Wait, I remember this. Yeah. I touched a bell, and now I'm here. Okay, I guess we'll get as far as we can. Wait. Button. I don't know what I did, but what do I have to do? Do I have to, like... Please. Oh. Okay, that explains a lot. Just go to... Really... I don't feel like this would happen. Okay, so... There's just water thing. Okay, so I'm expecting I shouldn't touch those. Please don't touch me, please don't. What is it? What is it? I just wasted my time. I don't know what it is. My health bottle's at 5%. Okay. That actually helped a lot. Now I can drink like 5. Okay. Looks like a puzzle. Puzzle I should solve. Love this. Game's actually pretty fun. So it's not. What? This game's fun. I'm having a fun time playing this. Oh yeah, by the way, just to say, I made a new YouTube channel, if you want to check it out. Links in the description. Okay. I don't know. He said, like, what do I do? I'm frozen. You're very cool. That's exactly what he said. Yeah. Yeah. I want through. Why can't I go through? I must bring heat to here. But how? Everyone's frozen. So, of course I should leave that guy there. I just left him. Why did I even like... Wait. What is it doing? That's cool. What? Okay, so new fear unlocked. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. I'm just ice skating. I just want to ice skate. Go back in your hole. Please stop it. Please. Please stop. Okay, I'm done. Why are these things chasing me? I don't like it. One bit. I don't like it one bit. No. No. Okay, so that's right there. So, of course, I have to speed up on the side. I'll go quick. I'll know. I'll die. Here we go. Jump up. Okay, I think those guys are frozen. I don't know why, but yeah, I think the game's broken. I still want to see the ending. What's in here? I don't like this. What? Okay. Okay. I killed it. And I didn't lose any health. Okay. On the fuck. Okay, so this should fix it. Wait, but we got the two things in the cutscene. Oh no. Get the sword back. 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 I want the sword. Is that it? Yeah. Well, yeah. I guess bye. Subscribe, like, and I guess bye. Next video coming up soon. Bye.